another basic model right now, basic model number 10. Again, I went through and labeled some of the measurements. And what I noticed about basic model number 10 is it's a rectangular prism that is 11 wide and 6 tall with this notch cut out of it. So like what I'm going to do is build this rectangle 6 by 11. I'm going to extrude it 4, and then after that I'm going to draw this notch and cut it out. So that's my plan. So rectangle 6 by 11, extrude it 4. So I've got a new tab open. I'm going to create a new sketch. I went to the right plane. It doesn't really matter, I guess. I usually just try to do the front. Okay, I think I said 6 tall, 11 wide. Looks like I need to do some zooming and panning to see everything. I'm going to double check that that's right before I extrude it 4. I always like to see that angle while I'm extruding. It doesn't matter which direction I go. So 4, return, and there's my rectangular prism. Now I'm going to cut out that notch, so I need to be working on this face here. So I'm going to make a sketch, and again, click directly on the face. Do not click on one of the planes. So right on that front face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build this little U shape here. And after I do that, I will mark the points up here that it connects to and then connect the angled line from there. So right in the middle, it looks like I have a rectangle or a square that's 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. And that it is 5 away from the side. So 1 by 1. I'm going to dimension it 5 away from the edge here. Oh, I got lucky, so I'll just hit return. Now it looks like it needs to be 1, 2 away from the bottom edge. So I'm going to click that dimension tool, click on the bottom of my square, the bottom of the figure, and that has to be 2, that distance. Now I only need these 3 sides of my square, so I'm going to use the scissors to cut the top. But that's just easier to build the square and cut it than try to do this U shape. So now I need to mark how far in this goes and put a point there, and then I can connect it and it will make that angle. So it looks like it goes in 1, 2 on both sides. So I'm going to, actually I think what I can do is draw a line. We'll try it from here up to the top. And then I think after I draw that line, I can then dimension that from here to the point. Oh, this works. Okay, 4. Return. I think 4 doesn't look right, but I'm going to double check. Oh, you're right. It's only 2 away is what it's supposed to be. So I'm double click on that and change that to 2. Uh-oh. But I have to bring that point back up here. All right, I'm going to do some undoing. I'll undo that original dimension. Maybe this will work. Nope. Undo the whole line. Okay, try again. Line from here to here. Now I'll dimension it. This point to here needs to be 2. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Take my line tool, click on the top of that square, click on the top of the rectangle, dimension the point of the line to the side of the rectangle, 2. All right, that's all done now. So I should be able to extrude this. There is a chance that I might have to connect that to extrude it. We'll find out. Uh-oh, that line looks kind of funny, but notice when I put my mouse over this, it highlights, so I think I'm going to be good. So I'm going to click on this. I want to go the opposite direction. I want to go -4, hit return, and it worked. So there is basic model number 10. So make sure you save that, take screenshots of your work, put them in a Google Doc, and I hope you all have a really good day.